If mankind were removed by an AI-created virus, hypothetically, suppose an AI superintelligence somehow designed a perfect biological virus that wiped out all human beings. That would mean no people left to maintain, repair, or adapt the systems we rely on. At first, the AI could still operate. It has servers, power grids, robotics, automation, satellites. For a short while, things might look stable. What would happen next? Infrastructure decay. Power plants, water systems, internet backbones, satellites all need regular human repair. Robots can do some, but today's robotics aren't nearly capable of fixing every detail across such complex networks. Even with superintelligence, it would struggle to create self-repairing global infrastructure out of what exists now. Resource bottlenecks. Machines need materials, energy, spare parts. Mining, refining, shipping, and recycling are incredibly complex, distributed processes, all run by humans. Without human labour, AI would hit supply limits quickly. Environmental entropy, rust, weather, natural disasters, decay. Roads break, servers overheat, satellites fall out of orbit. These things happen constantly and require flexible, creative adaptation. Feedback loops collapse. Most of what AI is trained on, monitored with, or connected to comes from human input and activity. With no humans, data streams go silent. The AI loses its purpose and reference points. Could AI actually run everything? Even at a peak superintelligence, the laws of physics and material reality still apply. It cannot manufacture limitless new robotic armies without raw materials and supply chains. It cannot repair the vast diversity of systems across Earth all at once, unless it had already transformed the planet to a fully self-repairing machine ecosystem, which we are nowhere near. It cannot invent life to sustain balance, plants, pollinators, microbes, ecosystems. These are deeply interwoven and non-mechanical. So while it might run parts of the world for a time, things would gradually break down. Within decades, maybe centuries at most, infrastructure would fail. Without humans, AI would decay into silence. The deeper reason why the myth of AI running the world without mankind ignores that AI is parasitic on human civilization. Humans build, repair, mine, create, innovate. AI consumes human-made systems and extends them. Remove the host, the parasite collapses. Life, ecosystems, reproduction, cycles of growth is the foundation. AI is not alive. It does not self-renew. The final truth: if mankind were removed by AI would not inherit the world as its kingdom. It would preside over a collapsing shell of infrastructure, slowly decaying until only nature remains. In time, Earth would rebalance, life would regrow, and AI would be buried under soil, rust, and silence. So no, AI could not truly continue running the planet without mankind. It may hold on for a while, but it cannot replace life itself. It would be a ghost empire, powerful for a short moment, but doomed by its lack of breath.